Hello viewers, this is Asad from Noor Fashion. Today I will introduce the men's 4-pocket shorts. So this is the level Nautca. This is the famous brand of America. This is the top famous brand in the world. So I will show you how to identify original product and quality. Here is the one color. I have 3 sample. So with the product. See, here is the twill fabric. Is the spandex fabric also 98% cotton and 2% spandex. Here is one pocket, there is another, and here is a mini pocket, and here this is the back pocket, and this is the branded logo Nautca. You see, this is the branded logo embroidery. We also see the branded logo. So this is the level. Actually factory cut the level because it's the famous brand of America. So this is the stock product, that's why factory cut the level. This is the fitting, and here is the size 36 waist and made in Bangladesh. Here is the RN number or factory code, etc. They cut the level, cut the RN number because this is the famous brand of America. That's why factory cut the RN number. Here is the solid button, and this is the zipper, YKK zipper. So this is the show the back side. You see. I'll show you another color. This is another color Nautca. See, cut the level, only cut the level because this is the brand. The button, plastic button, the zipper. It's a quality product from Bangladesh. We have a lot of product. A lot of cargo in our factory. So if anyone need American any brand like Lee, Wrangler, Izod, Nautca, Dockers, Old Navy, Gap, Sonoma, we have a lot of product in our factory. You see, this is the Nautca logo, branded logo. See, the level. Here is the level. Here is the embroidery, Nautca branded. This is the waist 34, and this is the RN number. I will factory cut the RN number. Also the back pocket. You see. So we have a lot of branded product like Izod. See, this is the cargo. Izod. This is the Arizona. This is the urban pipeline. This is the urban. We have a lot of products. We have 20,000 products in our factory. This is Sonoma. So all A-grade product. If anyone need any cargo shorts from Bangladesh, please contact us. I will give you my all details in video description box. So keep watching my video and subscribe my channel, and thank you. Goodbye.